Hey traders, today we're taking a hard look at devotionassets.org. Devotionassets.org has recently come under scrutiny due to the lack of available information, raising significant concerns for potential users. Key concerns: 1. Lack of regulation. There is no clear evidence of devotionassets.org being registered or regulated by recognized financial authorities. This absence of oversight is a significant concern for investor protection. 2. Limited online presence. Reputable review platforms like Trustpilot and Reviews.io show no user feedback or detailed reviews for devotionassets.org. This lack of verifiable user experiences is unusual for a legitimate investment platform. 3. Suspicious claims. The website makes bold statements about client fund security and investment returns without providing verifiable evidence or transparent risk disclosures. 4. Inconsistent information. While the website claims to be Devotion Assets Limited, there's a lack of clear information about the company's legal status, ownership, or physical location. 5. Potential confusion. The similarity between the .org and .com domains raises concerns about potential attempts to mislead investors. Red flags to consider. 1. Unrealistic promises. Be wary of any platform promising exceptionally high or guaranteed returns, especially in volatile investment markets. 2. Lack of transparency. Limited information about the company's background, leadership, or operational history is a significant concern. 3. Pressure tactics. Legitimate investment firms do not use aggressive sales techniques or urge quick decisions without due diligence. Protecting yourself. 1. Avoid deposits. Given the numerous red flags, it's strongly advised not to deposit any funds or personal information on the devotionassets.org platform. 2. Verify claims. Always cross-check a company's regulatory claims with official sources. The absence of verifiable regulatory information is a significant red flag. If you've been scammed by devotionassets.org, there are resources available, but be careful. Don't fall for another get-your-money-back-quick scheme. Instead, contact brokercomplaintalert.com to get a free consultation and recovery service. We provide recommendations to get help in recovering the lost funds. Report your case to us. You can find the link in the video description. Before you invest with any broker, do your homework. Read independent reviews, check their regulations.